Now we'll build an array that will have even and odd elements. We'll name that array as A, and the array indexes are 0, 1, 1, 5. So in total we have 6 numbers. Now we'll fill the array with even and odd numbers. First, we have to split the numbers in odd and even. So in array, odd numbers are in positions A0, A2, A4. Even numbers are in positions A1, A3, A5. For sum, we need a variable called sumOdd, and we'll sum up those 3 numbers. And we need a variable called sumEven, and we'll sum up 3 numbers. For quantity, we need a variable called count that will count 3 numbers, and a variable called countEven that will count 3 numbers. In that way, we find the sum and quantity even and odd numbers using arrays. Integer and or dimension of array odd equals 0, sumOdd equals 0, and all variables that we'll take will be equal to 0. Even, sumEven, will take the dimension of array from the user. We'll declare the array AN. We'll print a message to the user to give the elements of array. For that problem, we'll use a for loop. I equals 0, I is lower equal than dimension of array, I plus scanf, %d that is integer, and AI. To test other elements, we need another for loop or another iterative structure. Don't forget, if I start from 0, we have lower, and if I starts from 1, we have lower equal. The condition is if AI %2 is 0 or residue 2 is 0, number is even, and we'll grow even numbers by 1. That plays the role of a counter. SumEven plus equal AI. On the contrary, or else odd equal odd plus 1. SumOdd equal SumOdd plus AI. At the end, we'll print the number of odd numbers and the number of even numbers, also the sum for each of them. At least return 0. We'll compile our code and see the result. How many numbers will the array has? 5. We'll put some random values. Be careful, F said here %d odd, but the name of variable is even. We need to change the places of variable, and also here. Now we are right.
Your Fast Code is an educational site, and to inform about programming. Your Fast Code consists of site on YouTube and blog, and it is also on social sites like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Your Fast Code has extensive programming information and currently programming language C. The blog and YouTube explain topics such as simple exercises in C. Function in C, arrays in 2-dimensional arrays in C, etc.